Hello everyone! If you want to trim some audio in Audacity, that is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is to select the part that you want to keep by going in the selection tool and dragging. Then you go on Edit, Remove Special, Trim Audio. As I said, that is going to only keep the part that we selected and remove everything else. Now, in the older versions of Audacity, there was a line with a double arrow in both directions, and you had to select that, select everything, and that double arrow allowed you to move things away. In the newer versions of Audacity, that has been removed. You can simply click here at the top and drag it where you need it. That is all you have to do to trim some audio in Audacity. I hope you like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.